Hey everybody, this is Luke Barksdale again with Viz 3D Space, and we're back for episode 4 today of this little vlog series. Episode 4 is open layout versus traditional. So like the open floor plan or traditional layout. Are open floor plans still the way to go, or are we moving back towards traditional layouts? Question I get a lot in the design office. Open floor plans are super popular for entertaining and for like family interaction. So if you're somebody that does like the football games and you got a big family that's coming over, like those are super popular to get all your entertainment space in a smaller square footage. The reason I think a lot of them came about is so that people could have the same kind of entertainment space that big homes had, but in a smaller footprint. They're beautiful, don't get me wrong. You come in, big, grand, open feel. It is just gorgeous. It's hard to beat. Personally, and me and my wife disagree on this. Personally, my move is towards slightly more traditional, not fully closed off, but definitely developing some separations for some of the rooms. Big thing I have concern with is, if I'm in the living room trying to have a conversation with a family member and my kids are running around in the dining room and it's open concept, you can't really hear one another and there's just distraction. You get that almost like overstimulation thing going on. So that's a concern that I have, is just, the noise, the lack of privacy, heating and cooling inefficiencies for the open concept is a big thing. Traditional layouts, they offer, the defined rooms. It's a cozier space. There's better noise control. The heating and cooling efficiencies go up. Not astronomically, but, enough to matter a little bit. Again, my personal feel is that there's like a middle ground of like a semi-open design, wide openings, but still developing separation. So not having just a flat ceiling or a vaulted ceiling all the way through, maybe in a couple of unique areas, but not keeping the entire plan open. Again, I think it's a cost-saving move if you want that feel of a big home on smaller footprints. But if you're putting big square footage down on your lot or on your land, maybe look at developing some separations so that you can control your noise and privacy a little bit. I don't know. I just think, personally, I think they're a little bit of a phase. But then again, they do look good. So it's hard to tell where times are going to take us. Moral of the story, there is no one size fits all. The best layout depends on how you and your family actually live day to day and what's going to best suit you. Got any questions about design, custom home design, any construction, anything like that for residential, feel free to reach out to me. It's Luke Barksdale at viz3dspace.com, or you can get with us on the Facebook page, so Viz 3D Space of Arab, Alabama, and we'll see you guys next time.